Hey everyone, Craig here in Dallas. Just wanted to give you a quick review of the TopFit wireless charger for the Model S and Model X. As you can see, I have the regular charger right here, where you can plug your phone in into the slot here, and it will charge just fine. But what TopFit has done is created a little tray that sits on top of your cup holders that are down below, with plenty of extra length on the USB cable so that you can get to everything below. Now, one thing I did do was, you'll see the gray cable coming up, USB cable there. One thing I did do was add a USB hub beneath the console, a small one, so that I could plug multiple cords in down below and have no clutter up on top, and still leave one of the ports open up here. And all of the ports have access to the to be able to do media play. So I've got, you can see the phone goes in here and starts charging. It just lays there, and then you can go ahead and close this. I highly recommend it. Some people have said that they have trouble getting down below, but that's probably because they've got the cable routed incorrectly. As you can see, I've got plenty of room to move this completely out of the way, and I did anchor them with the little cup holders so that they're in that initial cup holder, and no problem going in and out. Just wanted to let you know. Hope you enjoy yours. Thanks.